Hi kids, we are going to build a police car. Start with the frame, then put on the wheels. Attach a bumper light and an exhaust pipe. The body. A door. Windows. Then the back light and the front lights. What's left? The siren and flashing lights. Well, this car seems to be completed. First, let's drive to the highway and see if anyone is speeding. What is this? These two cars are going too fast. Let's pull them over. Our police car is the fastest, but still. We need a backup. Got them. We'll take the drivers to the police station. And the cars to the car pound.
Please click on the picture to see other funny videos.